Hello friends, this is Keshav here and welcome all of you in this session. So guys, in this video we are going to solve the coding decoding questions which you can expect in any prelims paper. Yeah, either it is SBI PO prelims or IBPS PO prelims, or in any other mains paper like insurance exams you are going to give in the futures. In that paper also you are going to expect, or IBPS clerk mains paper or RRB PO mains paper or any other exams, competitive exams, you are going to expect these questions of 5 marks. Okay, so very simple questions are, it is okay, 5 marks questions will be come in the paper, and 5 marks is just very scoring, and you can score 5 marks, 5 out of 5 marks just in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so what you have to do in to solve this or to score these 5 marks, guys, you just have to be know the basics concept. Okay, how to solve this type of questions. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you how to solve these questions and what is the requirement, what you should need to solve these questions. So first of all, I will tell you, if you don't know that the ranking of all the alphabets, okay, once if I'll ask you what is the code, what is the ranking of D or what is the ranking of M, if so, first of all you have to remember it, or if you don't able to remember it also, then it is not a big issue, guys. Means when I was giving the paper, I was also not able to remember all the ranking of the alphabets. Okay, so what I do, so what I did in the examinations, I was just before starting the examination, one rough paper was provided to us, so write all the alphabets with the ranking. Okay, so that it will help you in the exams. Okay, so here now we are going to start the questions, what is the questions given and how to approach these type of questions. Okay, so while reading the questions you have to be careful and you have to be cautious. Don't be in a hurry, guys, or just start reading the questions and you will skip some sentence. No, read all the sentence carefully and be cautious what is given in the questions and what is the conditions provided. So first of all, read the questions properly. Now the question is, in each of the following questions given below, a group of digits or letters, okay, is given followed by 4 combinations of a symbol numbered A, B, C and D. Okay, so you have to find out which of the following 4 combinations correctly represent a group of digits, letters based on the symbol codes of the conditions given below. Okay, so 4 conditions are given. It is saying the conditions, one is what, if the vowel will be there. Okay, so 5 vowels will be there, then all the vowels in the word will be coded as @ hash ampersand, sorry, dollar, percentage or ampersand. Okay, all these vowels will be coded as a symbols. Okay, now the rest of the letters, okay, rest of the letters will be coded as a sum of the digits. Okay, sum of the digits of the numerical positions of them in the alphabetical series. Okay, so what does it means that what is the numerical positions of M? The numerical positions of M is 30. Okay, so it will be coded as sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means 1 plus 3, that is equals to 4. Okay, what is the numerical position of S? So numerical position of S is what, 19, so it will be coded as 1 plus 9, that is equals to 10. So 10, again it will be coded as 1 plus 0. Okay, so it means that all the numerical positions of the alphabet, okay, so alphabet will be coded as, means consonants will be coded as the sum of the numerical positions of the alphabet. Okay, now the condition, 3 conditions are given here. Now the condition 1 is what is given, if the sum of the number in the code, okay, what is it say, if the sum of the number in the code is multiple of 3. Okay, so sum of it will be the multiple of 3, then the last 2 elements of the code are going to be interchanged. Okay, so the last 2 codes will be interchanged. Okay, now the condition 2 is given, that if the product of the first and the last element in the code, okay, first and the last element, the product of first and last element is multiple of 5. Okay, if product of first and last element will be the multiple of 5, then the code is going to be reversed, will be retained the reverse. So all the code, all the numbers or code, all the elements of the code will be retained the reversed order. Okay, now condition 3 is given, that if there are more than 2 symbols, okay, more than 2 symbols will be given in the code, then the code will be written in the reversed order. Okay, so all the codes will be written in the reversed order for first and last elements, except for the first and except. Okay, so all the elements of the code will be written in the reversed order except for the first and last letter. Okay, last elements. Now the first question is given, so also we have read all the questions, we have understood what we have to do. Okay, so what will be the code of video? Okay, so the first word is what? Video. So what is the alphabet? So if I add what is the ranking of the alphabet, 23 will be the alphabet ranking of W, so it will be what? 2 plus 3 5. Okay, now next one is I will be coded, I is a vowel, so I will be coded as a symbol dollar. Okay, so I will be coded as a dollar. Fine. Now D, what is the position of the D? That is 4. Okay, now O is a vowel, so it will be coded as dollar. Okay, percentage, sorry, percentage, it will be coded as a percentage. Okay, now again W will be what? It will be coded as 5. Okay, so what is the code of widow? So 5 ampersand, sorry, dollar, 4 percentage and 5. Now see the condition. Okay, condition number 1. Condition number 1 is saying that if the or sum of all the numbers of the code is a multiple of. So what is the sum of all the numbers of the code? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5, 14. It is not a multiple of 13. So all the sum of all the numbers of code is 14 and it is not a multiple of 3. So condition which 1 is not going to satisfy. Now you see the condition 2. If the product of first and last element, okay, I hope you are getting it. Okay, so what is saying? The first and last element of the code is multiple of 5. So what is the product of first and last? Product of first and last element is what? 25. So it is a multiple of 5. So again, so the condition 2 will be, we are going to use the condition 2, and the condition 2 is going that code will be written in the reversed order. So code will be written in the reversed order. So what will be the code? So code is going to be now written in the reversed order. So it will be 5 percentage, 4 dollar and 5. So that will be the correct answer. Okay, so see the option, which option is correct? 5 percentage, 4 dollar. So option number B is correct answer. Okay, so we have to mark option B in the exam. Okay, now come to the next question. So I hope you understood how to solve these questions. Okay, so now all the remaining 4 questions will be very easy for you. So let's see. Now the next question is what? How the code Jesus is going to be coded. Okay, so J means what is the alphabet number of the J? So alphabet ranking of the J is what? 10. So 1 plus 0, that is equals to 1. Okay, now E is the vowel, so it will be coded as hash. Now S, so what is the ranking of the S? That is 19. 1 plus 9, that is equals to 10, and 10, 1 plus 0, that is equals to 1. Now again U is vowel, so it will be coded as the ampersand sign. Now S will be coded as, again, so here we have seen wow, S will be coded as 1. Okay, so this is the code. So the code will be what? 1 hash. Okay, now again 1, now ampersand, then 1. Now add all the numbers of the code, 1 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so while after adding all the numbers of the code, so it is coming 3. So condition 1, so what is the condition 1? Condition 1 is saying if the sum of the numbers in the code is multiple of 3. So sum of all the numbers is a multiple of 3. So condition 1 is going, we are going to apply condition 1. Then the last 2 elements of the code are to be integer. So when we apply the condition 1, it is asking that whatever the code we are getting, the last 2 elements of the code will be interchanged. Okay, so I hope you understood. So what will be the code? 1 hash, again 1, now 1 and ampersand, that will be the code. Okay, why? Because it is the sum of all the numbers is coming 3, which is multiple of 3, and in the condition 1, it is saying that if the sum of the numbers in the code is multiple of 3, then the last 2 elements will be interchanged. So we are going to interchange the last 2 element of the code, so last 2. So the final answer will be this. So see which option will be correct. Okay, so I see that option number D will be the correct answer. Okay, now come to the next question. So question number 3. So question number 3 is saying that what will be the code of the word party. Okay, so what is the code of the word party? Okay, so P means what? It will be 60. So 1 plus 6, that is equals to 7. A is a vowel, so it will be coded as R is what? 18. So 1 plus 8, that is equals to 9. Okay, now again T. So T will be what? So T is equals to 20. So T is equals to 20. So 2 plus 0, that is equals to 2. And Y will be coded as 25. So that is equals to 2 plus 5, that is equals to 7. So what is the code? 7 at the rate 927. Now So now check all the conditions, all the three conditions. Add all the digits of the code. When we will add all the digits of the code, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 7 25. So it is not a multiple of 3. Okay, so it is not a multiple. Now condition 2 is saying the product of first and last element. So what is the product of first and last element? That is 49. Again it is a multiple of, again it is not a multiple of 5. So it is not a multiple of 5. Then condition 2 will not going to apply in this code. Now condition 3 is saying if there are more than 2 symbols. Now check here. Can you see that more than 2 symbols? No, there is only one symbol. Okay, so means what? Condition 3 is not going to use here. Okay, so this will be the our final answer. Now check here in which options we are getting this answer. So 7 at the rate. So answer will be none of these. Okay, so all the 4 options are wrong. Okay, all the 4 options. So fifth option is what? None of these. Fine. Now let's see. Come to the next question. So next question, question number 4. What is the code of the word C's? Okay, C's. Now C will be coded as, what is the ranking position of C? That is equals to 3. E will be coded as what? Has. Okay. Now A will be coded as at the rate. Okay. S will be coded as 19. Okay. Position of S is 19, so 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1. Okay, again E will be coded as what? Has. Okay, now you can see here after solving first question. Okay, after solving first questions we understand when we understand the questions and when we solve the first question, after solving that first question, all the 4 questions, remaining 4 questions are very easy for us. Okay, so by looking only we can see here, we are seeing here what? We are seeing here 3 symbols are used. Yes or no? So 3 symbols are used. Then what? Then we directly come to the condition 3, in which it is said that when there are more than 2 symbols, then the code will be written in the reversed order except first and the last element. So what is the code? First of all, write the code here. 3 has at the rate. Okay, 1 has. Okay, so all the elements of the code will be written in the reversed order except for the first and the last element of the code. Means what will be the code? 3. After that means these three elements of the code will be written in the reversed order. It will be at the rate, again hash, then hash. Okay, so that will be our final answer. Now check here which options is correct. Option number A will be the correct answer. Okay, so we got option A as the correct answer. Now come to the next question. So this is our last question, question number 5. Okay, so how the code admin is written? So admin A will be written as how? At the rate. D will be written as, D will be coded as 4. M will be coded, portion of M is what? 13, so 1 plus 3 4. Okay, I will be coded as what? It is a vowel, so it will be coded as dollar, and it is 14, position of N is 14, so 1 plus 4, that is equals to 5. So code will be what? At the rate 4 dollar and then 5. Okay, so when we add all the numbers, all the digits of the code, so 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13, so it is not the multiple of 3. So condition 1 is not going to satisfy or not going to apply. Condition 2, the product of first and last element. So what is the product of first and last element? So 5 at the rate. So definitely this will be the multiple of 5. Yes or no? So this will be the multiple of 5. So it will be, condition 2 will be applied, so the code will be written in the reversed order. So code will be written in the reversed order. So what will be the code? So all the elements of the code will be written in the reversed order. So it will be 5 dollar 4 at the rate. So that will be our final answer. So now come to the options. Which option is correct? 5 dollar 4 at the rate. So option number C will be the correct answer. Okay, so I hope you able to understand how to solve these questions. So definitely when you understand the question properly and after solving the first questions, all the remaining 4 questions will be very easy, and all the 4 questions you are going to solve in 1 minute only. Only you will take to understand or read the questions and read the conditions. What are the conditions? Just take your time, understand all these conditions, then solve the questions. Okay, there is no need to hurry in the exams or no need to speed up your to solve the questions. Okay, so I hope I make it clear, and I hope make you able to understand how to solve all these questions. If you guys have any doubt, please ask in the comment box, and if you like the videos, please do subscribe the channel and like the videos, and please share among your friends that this video will also definitely help them. Okay, till then guys, have practice and we will again meet with the different questions. Okay, bye bye guys.